So we're on a no heat call, and we've got the combustion motor over here. Watch it. See, it's trying to start up, but it's just not happening. Tune in, same bedtime, same bed channel. You rolling?
Yeah, go ahead.
Alright, so what I forgot to explain in the first video was when the combustion motor is bad, it's not going to suck the air through the heat exchanger and allow for complete combustion. So now that we've got the draft motor or combustion motor changed out, we need to cycle it and check operation. Here goes nothing. Voila. Hey, Erik. Nah, you good. Oh, you still doing it?